Hello everyone. I got a really good episode on today. I'm gonna fix Venezuelan Cuatro here. Okay, this is the Venezuelan national instrument, and so we're having some issues here, which I'm gonna show you. We got this is the ding. Here is the ding. We have a very big ding here, which I'm gonna show you a technique. We're also gonna be adding this plug in the back, this peg, because we're adding a digital output to our Cuatro here, and it's gonna have this one on, and that way you can also like hang it as on the neck, like put a strap on it. Okay, some Simon Diaz. That's the one of my favorite,
Por muchas generaciones,
Venezuelan
el viejo dueño de Ato y
players.
Almero, al morir,
And
le deja este a los hijos, y este a los hijos, y este a los hijos, y así
I need something playing in the background. I always need music.
hasta que llegan mediados del siglo
I'm gonna be here fixing it. Hope you enjoy the music and enjoy some of the tips. First, I'm gonna start by getting the strings very loose, so that I can put my little hand through here and then hold a pre-drilled block that I have, which I'm gonna hold here in the bottom, and that block is gonna be holding, it's gonna have glue, and it's gonna have this peg on the top, right? And that way we have something very secure in the bottom that will be holding onto the instrument. You wouldn't add anything inside, then this screw right here will just pull off. It wouldn't have anything to grab inside. So you need always, if you're gonna add a peg like for a strap, or in this case we're adding one for the audio output, you always need to put something inside, a block. This way I'm adding a block. This is a Cuatro made in the state of Lara in Venezuela. It's one of the states that makes the best Cuatros in Venezuela. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get hands on. Drill little hole in the bottom. I already marked my middle, exactly where I wanted to go, and so I hold it. This is the most scary part, right? Easy, easy, easy. Okay. Okay. We're in. We're gonna be working on the finishing too as well, and I'll show you some tips to cover the gap on the bottom very quick. Okay, so let's get the strings now. We need to get the strings loose. We just need to put it loose enough so that we can go ahead and put the hand through there and hold the piece. Let's see, good enough. Now let's loose this one a little bit. Okay. Now that we have the space, we can put our hand in Almost. Wow, it's a very small hole. We're gonna have to figure out. Okay, just MacGyver it. My hand is too small to go through this fitting, so we have to create something to go into it. So what I'm using here is a. Sometimes you have to improvise when you're fixing things. Something that I have learned a lot. This is what holds the tents when you go camping down. Okay, and I'll be thinking about a better tool for that and create my own tool. But for now, this is gonna work amazing. I put through a little hole in the back. You know, I had one in the front, but one in the back, so that this can fit inside, and I can hold it while I place it where I want, and I can screw it from the other side, and hopefully it will work. We're about to find out. All right, so we are going to take a look. Make sure everything is clear in the spot we mark. Cristal, bonita como el Cristo, que canta en el morichal de tus cabellos. Y la mirada, la cascada que me el corazón. Y yo, para los dos. Y yo, just making sure that we have glue in the whole block. En mi muchacha de tamarindo. Y yo, tengo la llenecita para los dos. Mango de la chacaracha. Okay, here we go with the extreme part. Let's see if it works. Yes. Okay. Got it. I almost lost it. But got it. Okay. Okay. Let's check with the light. We're on the spot. Okay. We're in the spot. Let's see. Now. Let's start screwing. Y yo. Okay. Oh, look at my hair. I need somebody. If you have any recommendations for dreadlocks, I wanna get some dreadlocks, but that like the dreadlocks, like the special dreadlocks. Okay. More. Okay. Now we pull. Ta-da! Solid. Okay. Now we're gonna let it dry, and we're gonna because the point for this is for a strap, but we can also add our audio plug now to it. See? I'm about to show you how this thing sounds now.